whether we dive deep into the world of data analysis. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore some invaluable tips and make your data analysis in Excel more efficient and accurate. Whether you are a beginner or an Excel efficient or not, so these tips will surely level up your skills. So let's get started, okay? So the first step is, let's start with the first tip is like the organize your data effectively. The foundation of any successful data analysis in Excel is well-organized data. Before diving in, ensure data is texture. Basically, use header-organized data into row and columns and avoid margin cells. This simple step is stage for smooth analysis, okay? So the next step is utilize Excel table for dynamics data range. So the Excel tables are a powerful feature that can significantly enhance your data analysis workflow. They automatically expand to accommodate new data, ensuring your analysis remain up to date. This table come up with built-in filtering, sorting, and total row functions, making data manipulation and easy. Okay, so now let's move into the next tips, and the tip is leverage name ranges for clarity. So name ranges are like shortcut for your data. Like if I move into our data set into here, so instead of referencing ranges, like if use like from here B2, or instead of using the B or B125C, so you can assign a meaningful name range like the sales data. So you can also use your, like if I gonna say this will be the sales data over here, and I can just underscore and use the data. So not only does this make formulas more readable, so but it also reduces the chances of error creeping in. Okay, so like if I use the VLOOKUP function like this one, now look up below, let me use something as the product, or I will use the one, let me use the product A. I can just say for the example. Now instead of learning the table array, I can easily use the sales data or here. So we use it as the name of the range, and also you can use the name of range by using selecting this one, go to the formula define range, thanks, and here I will use sales are here. I can just say the data, okay, then hit on the okay. Now if I use the VLOOKUP function, let me use something that the product, or I will just use the product A, this one. Then instead of using the table array, I just use here the sales data. Okay, now you can see it can be easily usable, the sales data, instead of selecting the range. Okay, and this is so you can use the leverage name for clarity. Okay, and now move into the another tips, and this is our master Excel formulas and function. So Excel offer a vast array of formulas, and Excel function generate for data analysis, whether like it is kind of VLOOKUP, average, sums, average, and also the complex function like index, match, knowing find and how to use them can streamline your analysis and ensure accuracy. Okay. So the next one, next thing is audit your data with conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is handy for visually highlights important inside of your data by setting up the rules based on a specific condition. You can quickly spot outlier trends and automate or anomalies, having your times and effort in many early inspections. Like so here, if I use conditional formatting, I can easily use this one. Then go to home tab, use the conditional formatting. You can use the data bar colors, skills, or the icon set. So whatever you deserve. For example, I use the indicator, this one, and here we got it, the conditional formatting. Okay, so let's start. And the next one, we have the Embrace pivot tables for dynamic analysis. So pivot tables are Excel secret open for dynamic data analysis. With pivot tables, you can summarize, analyze, and visualize large data sets with its they allows you to slice and dice up data in multiple ways, providing valuable insights at a glance. Okay. And the next tips is the documents you analyze with comments and not. Okay. So documents, your analysis is crucial, especially when collaborating with other. Use Excel comments feature to leave notes and exploring our assumptions directly with the spreadsheet. This ensure clarity, transparency in your analysis process. Okay. So, and there you have it. These 7 steps will supercharge your data analysis workflow in Excel and making more efficient and equal than even before. Practice them and incorporate them into your routines and watch your Excel skills short.